traditional German Rouladen with spaetzle and red cabbage. Look at this, so good. Everyone is asking me, how do you make your rouladen? So here we go. I'm going to show you quickly how I do my own rouladen based on how my mom taught me. First you need some very thin sliced cut meat. And then we put some mustard on.
Some noisy mustard.
We spread it out.
Okay, can it be any kind of mustard?
Any kind of mustard you have, yeah.
Okay.
And I made a mix. It's salt, pepper, and paprika. I'm just gonna spread it out over the best part is bacon.
Bacon!
Bacon on. I'm probably gonna take two because they're very thin sliced. And then I'm gonna put some pickles, onion.
Oh.
And that's pretty much it. And then I roll it up. This is gonna make sure. Roll it up. Like that. And I'm gonna take a toothpick and connect so it's not opening up when I start frying it.
Oh yeah, okay.
And that's it.
That's one.
I'll transfer it over here. Okay.
Oh, the best part.
The pickle.
The pickle and the bacon. Man, what's better than pickles and bacon? Nothing.
The combination is...
The combination of pickles and bacon. That's right. You're on a roll, Auden.
It's not. You don't want to have too much bacon in.
Said no one ever.
Anyways, I'm going to serve them with my from scratch made red cabbage and from scratch made spaetzle.
And spaetzle is, for people that don't know, like a
German.
it's a German dish that has basically doughy bits, and I'm ruining it just by explaining it like this. There's got to be a better explanation.
Preparation time, I would say, for 10 minutes.
Looks really
I'm going
good.
to start frying it,
Okay.
browning it, and then I'm going to put it in the oven.
Okay.
I'm going to take these guys.
Looking good already.
Oh yeah, look at the red cabbage I made. Yeah.
Oh man, looking good. Woohoo, Jinx. Aw. So you're frying these first just to sort of get them brown, and then you're preheating the oven right now to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you put them in for about an hour. So they get nice and brown. Oh man, those are looking so good. Look at the pickles and the bacon. You have no idea. If you guys have never had rouladen in your life, but you love bacon, you love pickles, you love everything that this is all about, you need to try rouladen. And I need to clear my throat.
You smell it?
I can smell it. It smells amazing. I see the kids. I see the kids.
Because I'm showing my armpit to everybody right now.
You like rouladen, don't you?
Huh?
You love rouladen.
What?
Rouladen.
Rouladen, what's that?
Rouladen is the meal that Mommy makes with the meat, with the pickles and the bacon inside it. You like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Really quick.
Just a really quick run through how to cut an onion, because I have been to a cooking class and somebody told me how to perfectly cut an onion. So very important, you keep this little guy on so it's not falling apart. Then you take your knife and you do one slice here, and then you do another one, just kind of up to here. Then you do one slice here, another one here. It's important is not to cut all the way to the back. And then you start cubing.
Look at that.
Done.
Voila. With so many cooking skills, she'd make an onion cry. All right, so these look like they're browned enough.
They're brown enough. I'm just going to transfer them over. And just going to, like you see that in the frying pan, it's all kind of brown. That is going to make the color for the gravy, actually.
Oh, and that gravy is going to be amazing.
I'm just going to fill it up with some broth.
Just the regular chicken broth or beef broth, I guess, whatever. Yeah.
I had, this was just chicken broth, but it's okay. And then I'm just going to make sure I get it all off.
Okay.
And you see how it already turns brown?
Yes. Absolutement. So then just to thicken it, you put a little bit of flour in there? Do you know roughly how much to put in? You start off small, I guess, because you don't want it to get too thick.
It's like lay it by ear.
But it's that sort of balancing act that you can, if it gets too thick, you put in some more broth. If it's too thin, you put in some more flour. Before you know it, you got 6 gallons of gravy and everybody's happy. This is why I'm behind the camera today. I'm not feeling very good. So, like this is good. How you doing? This is me. This is what my hair looks like when I'm not feeling good. Sorry.
I'll put a little bit mustard on.
Mustard
Give that-
into the gravy.
That gravy some flavor. Alright.
Oh, the taste test. Yeah? It's good?
Good.
Alright. Oh. Alright. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, nope. It wouldn't fit, so we have to take one of the things out. I guess we should have checked that before we preheated it. That's my bad. My fault. Sorry.
In.
In it goes. For about an hour.
Setting cooking time. 60. Start.
60 minutes. Synchronize your watches. Clean. That's okay. We'll do that later. It is time. Oh, see what we got. Oh, so yummy. All right, let's get these on a plate.
That is traditional German Rouladen with spaetzle and red cabbage. Look at this. So good.
So good.
So good.
Looks amazing. All right, we need to stop shooting this so I can start
hungry.
eating this.
Let's go
I
eat.
am hungry. Me, I want some now, please. All right, Lucas, what do you think about it? Is it pretty good? Yep. Oliver, what do you think?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Nice, let's see.
Subscribe.
Is it good? Looks so good. Okay, I'm putting down this camera so I can eat as well. There's mine. Oh man. Cool. Well, we hope you liked this video. We had fun making it.
Bye.
Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Guten Appetit.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.